Welcome to Magic. This video I am going to solve following equations. Number 1a, 4x plus 3 equals to 31. So this is 4x plus 3 minus 3 equals to 31 minus 3. Side note, subtracted both sides by 3. Now plus 3 minus 3 out, so here is 4x equals to 31 minus 3, it means 28. Now we will divide both sides by 4, so 4x by 4 equals to 28 by 4. So 4 and 4 out, and 28 by 4 is a 7. So our answer is x equals to 7. Answer 1b, 8x plus 4 2 equals to 2. So this one, 8x plus 42 minus 42 equals to 2 minus 42. You can write a subnote like subtracted by 42. So plus 42 minus 42 out, so here is 8x equals to 2 minus 42, it means minus 40. Now we can divide both sides by 8, so x equals to minus 5. We can write divide both sides by what? 8. 1c, a and b done. 1c is a 6x minus 1 equals to 53. So we can write 6x minus 1 plus 1 equals to 53, and also plus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 out, 6x equals to 53 plus 1 is a 54. Now we can divide both sides by 6, so x equals to 9. This is our answer. 1d, 7x minus 4 equals to minus 66. So here 7x minus 4, we can add 4 equals to minus 66 plus 4. So minus 4 plus 4 out, 7x equals to minus, here is 62. Now we can divide both sides by 7, so here is x equals to minus 62 by 7. This is an improper fraction. We can write like minus 8, 7 times 8 is a 56, so here is also another 6 by 7. Okay, so 7 times 8 times 7 plus 6 will become 62. Okay, so this is our answer. So number 1d done, c and d done. Number e, 9y plus 7 equals to 52. So 9y plus 7 minus 7 equals to 52 minus 7, right? Then here is 9y plus y minus plus 7 minus 7 out, 52 minus 7 is a 45. Now we can divide both sides by 9, so 9y divide 9 equals to 45 by 9. So 9 and 9 out, y equals to 45 by 9, it will be 5. So our answer is 5. E done. F, 11n minus 19 equals to 102. So 11n minus 19 plus 19 equals to 102 plus 19, right? Then minus 9 plus minus 19 plus 19 out. So here is 11n equals to 102 plus 19 will be 121. Now we can divide by 11 both sides. So 11n by 11 equals to 121 by 11. So 11 and 11 out, 121 by 11 is a 11. Okay, so our answer is n equals to 11. I hope you cleared this one. So number F done. Number G, 12q minus 7 equals to 14. So 12q minus 7 plus 7 equals to 14 plus 7. So minus 7 plus 7 out. Here is 12q equals to 14 plus 7 is a 21. So now we can divide both sides by 12. 12q divide 12 equals to 21 divide 12, right? Then 12 and 12 divide, here is q. So 21 by 12 we can write, this is an improper fraction, so we can write 1, denominator is 12, so 12 times 1 is a 12 and 9, it will become 21. So this is our answer, 1 9 by 12. Number G is our last question. G already done. Number H is our last question. 260 plus 3, 260 plus 3 equals to 106, equals to 106. So 2060 equals to 106, this plus 3 become minus 3. So here is 2060 equals to 103, right? Then we can divide both sides by 206. It means 2060 by 206 equals to 103 divide 206. So 206 out. Here is t equals to, once we divide by 103, denominator and numerator, here is 1 and here is 2. So our answer is 1 by 2. So we are trying to solve these equations, and smoothly I'm trying to finish this one. It's a very important math, any kinds of competitive examination, especially IGCSE or grade 9 and 10. So don't neglect this one, you should keep practice at home. Next video we will try to solve more equation different way. So please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.